Hello everybody, and welcome back. This morning, yes, it's morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I am going to film a get ready with me. I have a full day of business things outside of my house, and so I need to get ready for the day. This is very different than getting ready for work for me because I'm representing my own business, and it just feels different, and it feels like I have to be more, I don't know, put together, even though the people I'm meeting today have already met me before and seen me in like slob mode, so that does not matter though. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of a combo of first impressions, lots of Glossier makeup. I don't know what else. I need to straighten my hair to start off with, so let's just do all of that and I'll talk you through what I'm using as I'm doing it, okay? So I just need to plug in my straightener over here. I can't even like tell you where to buy these because they aren't available anymore. I just bought them from like Sally Beauty for like 50 bucks. They're pretty good. They're old though, so I've had to clean them recently. If you guys, I guess it's a tip that I don't really share. If you guys straighten your hair all the time, do you remember to clean your straightener? Okay. Those are plugged in. I'm also not even remotely dressed yet. I'm still in my pajamas, so you've been warned. Think you should go out like that today? Yeah? It's a pretty epic bun. Alright, so we're just gonna have to deal with my ghost-like complexion, which is pretty normal, but for some reason it's not changing the settings on my camera. Alright, so last night when I washed my hair, I put the Verb Ghost Oil in my hair, and I put quite a few pumps, like 6. My hair just sort of sucks in moisture, and it's still dry today. So what I do is after my hair is dry, I spray in some of the Verb Ghost Dry Oil, which is like it says refresh, condition, and smooth. Basically, it is like a conditioning spray, and I use it a lot for sort of the coarser underneath sections that really need the extra help, and the ends of my hair. Especially before I go and fry it with the straightener. I find like these underbits here get really dry, they're really coarse. Alright, so that's layer 1 done. I usually just split my hair into 2 layers. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to doing my hair in general. I have less than 45 minutes to get ready because I need to leave for 9:30, or I need to be there for 9:30. I can hear that my sister is watching the Gilmore Girls through the wall already. I do not understand. I loved that show when it was first on, but I honestly cannot stand to watch it now. Alright, pretty big difference, eh? Between this mess and this. I like my hair straight better, but I don't want to fry it constantly, so Before I go any further, I'm going to do my moisturizer. I look so pale. I'm going to do all that stuff so it has time to sink in before I put makeup on top. Alright, so I am using the Glossier my camera hates focusing on anything but faces. This is the Glossier Super Bounce, or Super Glow, not Super Bounce. This stuff is amazing. I've only been using it a few days, but my skin just feels better. It has a better texture already, so. It's very runny, so it's not like a thick serum. It's more the texture of an essence, maybe? I don't know. I've never used an essence. Then what have you got? Okay, yes. I have to put this on before I get too far. Okay, so this is the Shiva's Delight chocolate tangerine body butter. It smells like Terry's chocolate orange, and it is like a balm almost. It definitely like melts into your skin, and you guys know about my crusty elbows, so this has been what I've been using all week on them. We are all moisturized, and now it's time to move on to straightening the rest of my hair. There it is. Okay. Sometimes I have to spray this ghost stuff on throughout the week in the ends of my hair when they get really dry, especially if I've been putting my hair up a lot, which I do tend to do. I usually just throw it up in a messy bun whenever my hair is annoying me, so. Alright, hair is straightened. Now it's time to put things on my face. So, first order of business is eyebrows. Can you even see that? I don't know if you can. There. Okay. I am using the Glossier Boy Brow in blonde because I have very light eyebrows. And I actually take a lot of the product off of here because I don't like the feeling of it holding my eyebrows in place too strongly. That is done, and it takes a lot of concentration apparently. When I'm done, I actually go through and brush them out again just to take out a little bit of the product, and just a little, because sometimes you can get a little too much in there. Much better. Alright, next up we're using the Glossier Lid Star. I haven't used this yet, so I'm hoping it's good. Just want a little bit. Alright, one color done. My battery's running out. All the things are happening. Alright, that looks okay. Next up we are trying cloud paint. Let's be honest, you can't see that at all, mostly because my face turns red the second I touch it. That's a little better. On camera, it reads very orange. We'll see how it lasts all day. Alright, last but very not least is some Glossier Lash Slick. And then I'm done. All done. Yeah, I like this look a lot. I feel like my eyebrows are permanently in surprise mode though. They're a little like crusty. Alright, I have to go get dressed. My clothes are still in the dryer and I have to leave in 10 minutes. I also need to brush my teeth because that's not happened yet today. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share. You know the deal. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Let me know if there's any other makeup companies you think I should try, and I will work on it. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!